In this video, we'll look at whether sodium hydroxide, NaOH, is ionic or covalent. So if we look at the periodic table, sodium, Na, that's right there, that's a metal. So we have a metal for sodium, oxygen, that's a nonmetal, and then hydrogen over here, that's a nonmetal as well. So we have a metal and two nonmetals. That means that sodium hydroxide, that's going to be an ionic compound. Since it's ionic, let's take a look at the charge on each of the ions. So we have sodium here in group 1. That'll have a 1 plus charge. We just write plus. OH is the hydroxide ion. It's a polyatomic ion. And the whole hydroxide ion has a charge of 1 minus. So we'll put a minus out here. Positive and minus ions, they have opposite charges they attract. That forms our ionic bond between the sodium and the hydroxide ion. Let's talk for just a moment about the hydroxide ion. So the bond between the sodium ion and the hydroxide ion, that's ionic. But with the hydroxide ion just by itself, oxygen, we said that's a nonmetal. Hydrogen, we said that was also a nonmetal. And if we have a nonmetal plus a nonmetal, that is a covalent bond, also called a molecular bond. So the bond between the oxygen and the hydrogen in the hydroxide ion, that's covalent. But the bond between the sodium, the metal, and then this whole hydroxide ion itself, that's ionic. So in answer to our question, sodium hydroxide, NaOH, is an ionic compound. Thanks for watching.